Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of Defense Technology. News is Sky Defense unveils Cobra Jet AI fighter drone for high-speed, low-cost counter-UAS operations. Sky Defense LLC, based in Brighton, Colorado, has unveiled its AI-powered eVTOL fighter drone and interceptor, the Cobra Jet, designed to detect, track, identify, and neutralize enemy drones at speeds exceeding 200 miles per hour, 320 kilometers per hour. Intended for the protection of critical infrastructure, borders, military bases, and public venues, the tactical, battery-powered aircraft can also perform strike missions against unmanned ground or naval targets. Available in 3 tri-jet versions, V4 and V6 Group 2 and V8 Group 3, Cobra Jet features a 3D printed carbon fiber composite airframe inspired by 5th generation Lockheed F-35B and F-22 jets and the future 6th generation F-47. The vertical takeoff and landing aircraft uses thrust vectoring nozzles for agility and can carry air-to-air weapons in its internal bay or mounted underbelly, as well as air-to-surface munitions such as smart glide bombs. Powered by electric duct fan motors and Amprius solid-state batteries, Cobra Jet incorporates an Auterion AI-enabled autopilot, NVIDIA compute capabilities, and Teledyne FLIR NDAA-compliant cameras for autonomous day and night operations. It can be launched from mobile platforms including trucks, ships, or aircraft, providing operational flexibility. Sky Defense's VRAM, Visual Real-Time Area Monitoring Command System, integrates AI-powered data analysis with a human-in-the-loop control interface, enabling operations in contested electromagnetic environments. The system includes smart vision, visual navigation, and anti-jam technology, and can connect with other command and control systems. Our USA-made Cobra Jets can communicate and coordinate as a flight team, enabling them to operate as an AI-powered unmanned air force, said Nick Verini, president of Sky Defense LLC. This team approach increases the effectiveness of the squadron, while also significantly reducing the costs of destroying a swarm of enemy drones. For law enforcement, homeland security, and U.S. military applications, Sky Defense offers a mobile configuration with the command system housed in tactical or armored battery electric vehicles. Countered UAS testing of Cobra Jet and VRAM Visual Real-Time Area Monitoring is scheduled to take place at the Pendleton UAS test site later this year. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.